Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I thought today I would share with you guys a really cool curly hair hack. I have shared this on a older video, but I thought to bring it back because this is a hack that I always find when I share, people love it. So I wanted to just do a refresh and share with you guys again. And one more thing, I uploaded my first video to my vlog channel. I shared with you guys there how I've navigated my college life and my college experience. So if you guys are interested, I will leave that link down below as well. So I'm going to be sharing with you how to tie your hair back with only a bobby pin. One single bobby pin. I know we have all been there when you're like, I have nothing, I don't have anything that I can use to tie up my hair, I don't have a hair tie, what can I use? Well, if you or somebody has at least a bobby pin, you can tie up your entire hair. This could probably work all the way till about maybe like armpit length, maybe. But you can just try it out and see if it works for your hair. So I will be sharing with you guys how I tie all my hair up with a bobby pin. So if you're ready for this hack, continue to keep watching. So this is roughly all of my hair. Yes, she's got a lot of hair. So it's super easy. What you're going to do is take a section of hair, preferably by like the nape of your neck. It could be it's just tie your hair up, so it could be a small section, a large section. I'm going to take like this big, take about this much amount of hair, roughly that size. So I'm taking it from the nape of my neck. So what I'm gonna do is push all of my hair back. Low key, this could be a style if you want to like use it as a hairstyle. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of like pull out some bangs to make this look kind of cute. So what you're gonna do is pull your hair back to however you like it. I know I normally, what I do is I like to pull my hair over my ears, but you don't have to. So literally what you're going to do is grab the section of hair and tie it around your hair all the way around. And I'm coming through the bottom all the way through all of my hair, the bottom. Okay, so my hair's longer, I can go around, but if you can only go once, that's really all you need. So here, and going around. Okay, so now that I've gotten to kind of like the end of my hair, what you're going to do is I'm going to show you here, but I'm going to probably have to, it's going to end up being under my hair. But really all you're going to do is open the bobby pin up and put the bobby pin through your hair like this into your hair. And another tip you can do is kind of like weave it into your hair so that the bobby pin stays really well. But that's literally all you're going to do. You're going to open up the bobby pin and stick your hair, the end of your hair, into your ponytail. So and stick it in there. And then if you have an end, you can just kind of like tuck the end in. But the benefit of having curly hair when you stick in a bobby pin with the texture of your hair, it's not going to like slip out of a bobby pin. So actually, like, the curlier your hair is, the better this hack is going to work. But this is something that I have done plenty of times. You can actually do this in a bun as well. It takes a little bit more of like messing around, but this is the hack to tie all of your hair up with just one bobby pin. If you do not have a hair tie, if you don't have a scrunchie, and you can only find a bobby pin, or one of your friends only have a bobby pin, you can tie up all of your hair. If you guys enjoyed this hack and found it helpful, one, help me out by liking this video, share it with a friend, and comment down below if you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like these curly hair hack videos, I can share with you more that I use. And also, if you guys want to share it with a curly friend so that they got this hack down too. So I think that's it, and I will catch you guys in my next video.